Social Science Standard 10, Chapter 10, Part 2, India Agriculture. Major agricultural crop. Due to the diversity in geographical condition, climate, variety of land, the amount of rainfall, etc., different crops are grown in different parts of India. Food grains are cultivated in about 75% of the total area sown, and about 50% of the total production come from the grain. Major food grains are as follows. First one, paddy, rice. Paddy is the most important crop. A large majority of world and about half of the population of India uses rice. India stands second in the world after China in paddy production. Paddy is sown over one-fourth of the total sown area. Paddy is a crop of torrid zone. Hot and humid climate, minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, fertile alluvial soil, and more than 100 centimeter rainfall are necessary for the more production. In the region of less rainfall in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, this crop is taken through irrigation. More human labor is necessary for paddy cultivation. West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Orissa are the major paddy producing states. In Gujarat, paddy is sown in Surat, Tapi, Panchmahal, Ahmedabad, Kheda, Anand, Valsad district. Paddy requires more water. Moreover, instead of keeping the paddy field fully under water, paddy is grown by irrigating through sprinkling using less water. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop of our country after paddy. It is grown over one-third of the area of available land of India. Wheat is the staple diet of North and West India. It is now cultivated with mechanized method, hence it can be produced. Wheat cannot be grown in the area receiving more than 100 centimeter rainfall. Less labor force is required as mechanization is introduced in wheat cultivation. After the Green Revolution, the wheat production is almost double. Wheat cultivation is carried mostly in Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh. These states contribute about two-thirds of the total national production. As there is an irrigation facility in this state, there is more per hectare production. Due to the canal water in Punjab, there is abundant wheat production. That is why Punjab is also called the wheat bowl of India. Wheat is also produced in states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal, etc. Bhalia wheat is produced in the Bhal region of Gujarat. Besides Mehsana, Rajkot, Junagadh, Kheda also produced wheat. Among all the food grain used in daily meals, wheat is the best. Many items like roti, bhakri, sev, shiro, lapsi, laddu, sukri, bread, puri, biscuits, etc. are prepared from wheat. Among all the grain, wheat is most nutritious. That is why wheat is also called the king of grains. Jowar, bajra, millet, barley are the major coarse grain grown in India. Now we see about jowar. Jowar is the most produced grain in India after paddy and wheat. This crop is grown very widely in the dry region and less rainy region of southern peninsula. Jowar is both Kharif and Rabi crop. Temperature between 25 degree to 35 degrees Celsius, 125 centimeter rainfall. Black and loamy soil are favorable condition. It is produced in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat states. Maximum farming of jowar in Gujarat is done in Surat and Tapi district. Millet. Millet is considered to be the grain of laborer. It is grown in the region having temperature between 25 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall between 40 to 50 centimeter. Light sandy soil. Major state producing millets are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. The Banaskantha district in Gujarat leads in the millet production in Gujarat. Now maize. Maize is a kharif crop and is most grown crop in the world after paddy and wheat. Maize is grown more in hilly area and it is the staple food of the people. Maize contains starch, oil, protein, biofuel, etc. So it is used in industrial production. Slopy, black, hard, rocky and water having gentle flow are most suitable for its cultivation. Rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter and 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius temperature are favorable factor. Its usage is increasing in as animal fodder dhani and the oil. That is, dhani means popcorn. It is increasingly used as animal fodder, making popcorns and for edible oil. Major state producing maize are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. In Gujarat, maize is grown more in Panchmal, Dahod, Sabarkantha and Aravalli district. Pulses. Pulses is the main source of protein for vegetarian people. Tur, moong, gram, peas, beans, mud, urad are considered as pulses. Tur, urad, mud are kharif crop. Gram, peas, lentils, masoor are rabi crops. Pulses are grown in all states except where the rainfall is more. Major pulses producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, etc. In Gujarat, tur is sown in Vadodara district, moong and mut in Kutch district, and urad in Patan district. Nitrogen is reinstated in soil by growing pulses, so it is sown as an intercrop along with or after the main crops.